A man has been spotted in Baltimore County. What is he up to? It's been noted that in the area people have been going just a little bit too over the top. It appears that this gentleman is in some kind of a frenzy, like some kind of mysterious frenzy, and something in the garage, and we're just not quite sure. Oh my goodness, here it comes. We should have guessed. A man and his grill.
Hey, well, it's been a blizzard here in Baltimore, and I need to grill. That's what I need to do. So I'm out here. It took me about 20 minutes to clear out an area here in these drifts of snow. Got the grill out. I'm going to do indirect cooking, and I've got a nice 3-pound chicken, and I brined it for about 3 hours in a seasons and salt. And of course, our most important thing, I'm drinking Never Summer Ale, appropriate, from Boulder, Colorado. Alright, so we'll get the bird on. Center. We'll cover it. Keep the temperature between 250 300. Got my temperature gauge right here. Well, it's been about an hour. It's looking good. Couple of tricks. One is I turn the bird over and cook it breast side down for a little bit. Gives it a little more even cooking, and also gives it a nice color. Here's another trick every seasoned grill master knows is you know, you're always having your beer. This time we're having the Pursuit of Happiness Winter Warmer from Clay Pipe Brewing in Maryland. But when you're out grilling, a little bit for the grill master and a little bit for the grill. So we'll just put a little beer on there. Kind of moisten it up. Sun's coming down. Waiting for that nice internal temperature. 165. Alright. It's time for a temperature check. And we've got the grill at about 250. It's about where we like it. And let's check the temperature of the bird here. How's that look? That looks good. Got our handy thermometer. One of the things I'll mention is nice grill tip is to get one of these camping. This is a Princeton Tech camping LED. They work great, and keeps your hands free. Works really nice. All right, temperature coming over 160 right now. Looking really nice. Got our sweet potatoes cooking. Yeah, we'll leave it on for 10 minutes or so, and I think we're ready. There's a quick look at the bird. All done.
Pretty.
And the final shot there. Nice, warm sweet potato. And some chicken. And asparagus. The blizzard meal. See you guys later. I'm hungry.